Hungry for culinary excellence? Crave for a new challenge? Sharpen your skills and spice up your career with Culinary Arts Academy Switzerland's Master of Arts program. Pivot into the world of culinary arts. Develop managerial skills, devise your own food concepts, or even write cookbooks with this exhilarating one-year degree. Empower yourself as a leader and blend business expertise with inside knowledge of the industry's latest innovations and trends. Term 1, explore food culture, strategy, and sustainability. Term 2, ignite your creativity and nurture ideas for your own business. Give yourself an edge with international internship opportunities in acclaimed kitchens. Lay the groundwork for the next steps in your career. Meet and learn from the best chef instructors in state-of-the-art facilities. Elevate your art and turn up the heat on your ambition.